All right, so with this one, I went ahead and checked both air filters. They're dirty, need to be replaced. And then checked the valve here. It's working. Checked the screws inside the compressor. They're working. Went ahead, cleaned out the valves. Everything's working there. So the issue that I found, if you look inside the turbo, it's hard to see, but the turbo vanes are completely stuck. So the turbo's shot. It's not spinning, not able to build any boost, any pressure. So that's why the RPMs are like 1100, 1200. And then when the compressor kicks on, and it needs to be at 1700, and it's just not able to do that because turbo's bad.